In this instructional video, we will be assembling the backboard and rim of a Lifetime basketball system. Your system may look different than the model shown, but the steps performed will still apply. Slide the U-bolt through the backboard brackets. Secure the backboard brackets with the spacers and hardware shown. The U-bolt should rest in the notches on the brackets. Secure 2 tap bolts, washers, and rubber washers through the bottom holes in the back of the rim as shown. Make sure the bolts are positioned on the outside edge of the holes. Be careful not to over-tighten. The rubber washers must not bulge in the center. Next, line up the backboard brackets with the mounting plate on the back of the backboard. Bring the rim and plastic guard together and line them up with the plate on the front of the backboard. Place steel spacers on the exposed ends of the bolts between the backboard brackets and the backboard. Then secure the 2 bolts using the hardware provided. On the front of the backboard, thread the jam nuts onto the U-bolt as far as they will go. Then slide the compression springs onto the U-bolt and secure them with the spring retainer plate and the hardware provided. Make sure not to completely tighten the hardware here, as the flange nuts are used to adjust the rim tension. Slide a carriage bolt into the crimped slot in both backboard channels. Then bend the backboard brackets by hand. Gently lift the end of each bracket up onto the carriage bolts and fasten them securely.